It's easy to let appliances, utensils, and ingredients pile up, making it hard to cook and prepare meals. And let's not forget about the sink area. Well, ever wondered how to transform your kitchen into a clutter-free zone? That is what we are getting to in today's video. An organized kitchen is a game changer. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and efficiency. When your kitchen is organized, you'll find that you're more productive, less stressed, and you'll even enjoy cooking more. Think about it. When your kitchen is a mess, it's harder to focus on the task at hand. You spend more time searching for ingredients, utensils, and pots and pans, and less time actually cooking. But when everything has its place, you can just flow through your recipe without any hiccups. Plus, an organized kitchen is safer. You're less likely to trip over clutter, and you'll reduce the risk of fires and other hazards. And let's not forget about the mental benefits. A clutter-free kitchen can actually reduce anxiety and depression. So, if you're ready to take your kitchen to the next level, keep watching. In this video, we're going to dive into some common kitchen organization challenges, and then we'll explore some practical hacks and ideas to help you get your kitchen organized like a pro. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos about kitchen organization like this. Let's face it, kitchen organization can be tough. We all have limited space, and it's easy to let clutter build up. But the good news is that it's not impossible to overcome these challenges. With a few simple strategies, you can turn your kitchen into a clutter-free zone. One of the biggest challenges we face is limited storage space. We've all got kitchens with limited cupboards, drawers, and countertops, and it can be tough to fit everything in, but the key is to think vertically. We'll talk more about that later. Another challenge is cluttered countertops. It's easy to let appliances, utensils, and ingredients pile up, making it hard to cook and prepare meals. And let's not forget about the sink area. It's easy to let dirty dishes and utensils pile up, making it hard to clean up after meals. Difficulty finding items is another common challenge. When your kitchen is cluttered, it's hard to find what you need when you need it. You end up wasting time searching for ingredients, utensils, and pots and pans, and it's frustrating. And then there's the issue of maintenance. It's easy to let your kitchen get cluttered again after you've cleaned it up. It takes discipline and habits to keep your kitchen organized. Another challenge is figuring out what to keep and what to throw away. We've all got sentimental attachments to certain kitchen gadgets and utensils, but sometimes it's just better to let them go. There's also the issue of budget. Let's face it, sometimes the solutions to our kitchen organization challenges can be expensive. But the good news is that you don't have to break the bank to get your kitchen organized. So, what are some solutions to these common challenges? Well, one of the best ways to get started is to utilize your vertical space. Install shelves, hooks, and racks to maximize your storage space. Another solution is to use drawer dividers. These can help you keep your utensils, pots and pans, and ingredients organized and easy to find. And if you're finding this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this to help in your kitchen organization or space organization. Effective labeling systems are also key. When you label your storage containers, you can quickly see what's inside without having to dig through everything. And then there's the importance of categorizing and grouping similar items together. This makes it easy to find what you need when you need it, and it reduces clutter. Another hack is to create a junk drawer. This is a drawer where you store all your miscellaneous items, like batteries, twist ties, and other odds and ends. You can also use a pegboard to hang your utensils, pots and pans, and other items. This keeps them off the countertops and makes them easy to access. And let's not forget about the power of baskets. These can help you keep your countertops clear and add a touch of style to your kitchen. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I make it happen? Well, the first step is to take everything out of your kitchen. Yes, you read that right. Take everything out and then start putting things back in their place. The ultimate kitchen organizing tip is to create a home for each item in your kitchen. This means designating a specific place for each utensil, pot, pan, and ingredient, and making sure to put it back in its place after you use it. When you create a home for each item, you'll find that your kitchen stays organized, and you'll reduce stress and anxiety. So, let's recap. We've talked about the benefits of an organized kitchen, common challenges, and some practical hacks and ideas to help you get your kitchen organized. Remember, getting your kitchen organized is a process. It takes time, effort, and practice, but the payoff is worth it. You'll be more productive, less stressed, and you'll even enjoy cooking more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite kitchen organization tips in the comments below. And if you want more home organization ideas, be sure to check out our other videos.